How to add certificates to your LinkedIn profile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open LinkedIn on your device and then tap on your profile on the left side toolbar. Once you are in your profile, you will see the Add Profile section button. Tap on that and scroll through and you will see the recommended drop-down. Tap on that and then tap on the Add Licenses and Certifications option you see there. Further, go ahead and enter the name, the issuing organization, the issue date, and the expiration date. You can also add credential ID and credential URL if you have it. Now scroll down to the bottom and you will see the media tab. Tap on the add media button and then tap on the add media option. Further, go ahead and upload your certificate and finally tap on the save button, and with this, your certificate will be uploaded and saved. So, this is how you can add certificate to your LinkedIn profile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.